Alrighty, so this is the very first, um, I guess, like intro episode that you guys are gonna see. I'm gonna put this one up before I put out all of the videos that I have edited up right now. So this is a hey to everybody. I'm finally getting in front of the camera instead of being behind it or being in the hands of the episode. I am the Bishop inside of Cooking with Bishop. I just wanted to introduce myself to you guys, let you know that I enjoy and I appreciate you guys and love you guys and gals for clicking onto the videos and giving them thumbs up and liking and sharing and hitting the notification button. We're going to try to make this an ever-going thing. Um, I'm very passionate about cooking, very passionate. So I put my all into it. I kind of feel like I got like this nice little swag about me that I'm going to bring to the video. So just stick it out with me. You never know what can happen, man. I might blow up. You never know. Look back in like 2 years, this video is like grainy as hell or whatever. But next thing you know, I'm in like a millionaire house or something. So thank you guys for supporting. Names are going to be Zini. That's my partner. She has my back all the time. Give me inspiration and also feed me with positive energy. Zayto, my little bro, Xavier Zayto. Appreciate you for always having my back in every endeavor that I've had, always being there for me. You guys are the reason. Oh, excuse me. My daughter Penelope. You are 3 years old right now, so you have never had some of Daddy's food, but you and your uncle are the passion behind the things that I do. Building a family. I've always seen the dinner table and cooking as something that can bring people together. So for a guy who moved away from his family 10 years ago and moved to the Pacific Northwest to figure out who I was as a man, this is the awakening of that. So and this is like this is not the awakening, excuse me, but this is the eye-opening experience and the finally putting my foot out there episode and of everything. So again, I appreciate you guys for always having my back. I know I'm missing people's names, but those are like the two main solid people, and the executive producers of the show. So I really appreciate everybody for again clicking on and following behind. So continue to ride this wave with me. We got some really cool things coming. If you could leave comments, follow me on Instagram at Winnie WINNIE underscore the chef, one word, at on Instagram uh at Winnie underscore the chef. So if you could just like follow me and leave some comments, like some pictures. Let me know what challenges you want me to try and accomplish throughout this series. Because I do want this to be a nice series. I want this to be a couple episodes. And I'm gonna keep this video short, man. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for clicking on and watching. Continue to support me. I appreciate it. I love you all. I love you all. I love you all. You are loved. You are followed. You are looked at. You are cared. You are viewed. And that's what this page is all about. I appreciate you guys. This has been Winnie, as in Winnie the Bitch from Cooking with Bishop. Mob.